Assalamualaikum everyone, I hope you all are doing well. As in my previous video, I talked about the causes, symptoms and problems related to anemia. So I thought I should make a video on how to increase your iron levels to prevent anemia. If you haven't watched that video yet, just go to the I button which is appearing on the top right of your screen and watch it. So I'm going to give you a quick and easy recipe of a juice made with just 4 ingredients. So without any delay, let's start the video. So the first ingredient which we use to make this juice is a medium apple. As one medium apple consists of 31 milligrams of iron. Apples don't contain a lot of iron, but they do contain vitamin C, which helps increase the absorption of non-heme iron, which are mostly found in fruits. As vitamin C is important for forming new cells and removing the free radicals from your blood that could otherwise damage your cells. The second ingredient includes beetroot, as it helps repair and reactive the red blood cells in the body, which further increases the oxygenation to all parts of the body. One of the best ways to consume beetroot for anemia is to have it in juice form. Beetroot juice is a healthy drink that can do wonders for your overall health. Not only it is high in iron, but it is also high in folic acid as well as potassium and fiber. Drink beetroot juice every day to ensure a healthy blood count. The third ingredient is carrots, because they are high in iron, mostly non-heme iron, as well as it is a good source of vitamin C. And in addition, they have vitamin A and beta-carotene. And the last but not the least ingredient is oranges. Since oranges are full of vitamin C, vitamin A, so adding orange to this juice increases the absorption of iron in your body and help you to prevent anemia. Now I will share the recipe for this juice. The ingredients are those which I have mentioned above: 1 medium beetroot, 1 medium apple, 1 medium carrot, 1 medium orange juice and 1 cup of water. Now the method. First of all, wash all the fruits and vegetables and peel the fruits and vegetables. Chop them into small pieces and put them in a blender. Add some water and blend to a fine paste. Make sure you peel the orange well, otherwise the pulp can make your juice bitter. Don't add any sugar, the juice tastes great as it is. Then by use of any strainer or a thin cloth to strain the juice well. You can add a pinch of black pepper before serving. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. The benefits of this juice will be discussed in the next video. Till that, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell icon. Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz.